I'm happy that this is happening today. Gitu wrote a book, and he asked me to write the foreword, which I've written the foreword to the book which we are going to launch here today. In it, he has given a very good account of what transpired and how the betrayal happened. The wrongs which were done need and must be corrected. And I'm ready to work with you people to ensure that this is done. Mzee wetu Shujaa Giti wa Kaengeri, ndugu wazalendo wakombozi ambaye wako hapa siku ya leo, na wageni wetu ambaye wamefika, hamjambo? Hamjambo tena? Sasa nimekaa kwa muda mrefu. Nilikuwa mimi niko na statement ambayo nilikuwa nimetayarisha kusoma hapa, lakini it will be taken as read. Nitaongea vilivyo. I just want to talk briefly about this very, very important occasion in our country. I am happy that this is happening today. And therefore, I want to first begin by thanking the Kenya Human Rights Commission for the good work that they are doing, what they have done, so that we are here today. Sasa, ningependa kwa ufupi kwanza tuseme kwa nini yale yalifanyika, ambayo yalifanyika. What happened? Mnajua kwanza wabeberu walikaa kule Ulaya, pale inaitwa Berlin.